So, hello guys, this is Bloom project on Telegram. Can you see this downside? This is the major stuff here. We have home, task, and we also have friends. I think you can invite maximum of 10 friends in this place. Maximum of 10 friends. You can invite more than 10. That is one of the stuff with this project. So, what you need to do is just to open, then you play game. You can see play here. I've already played all the games they are giving me today. Just play games. Just until I hit the blue this thing. If you just play, you understand it. The next, you can also farm. I've already clicked on this farm now. It's farming, and I will claim it in the next 6 hours. Then you can also refer to earn. Then you can also claim for your friends. So I will draw the link to register in the comment section now. Only 10 persons can use the link. That's just it. So please just register and start earning. And this project is another great project anyway. Yeah, thank you.